You're saying I've got tattoos, this, that, and the
I'll
other.
just say these two look a bit more presentable than you do.
So because I have tattoos and piercings makes me unpresentable,
I think so, yeah.
Well, that's your opinion,
For the job
man.
you're doing, yeah, it's my opinion.
Fortunately, ways have come forward in the way.
When authority is challenged by a camera, the real test begins. Welcome back to Audit Lens, where we break down police encounters, explain the law, and uncover the truth behind every interaction. Today's case reveals how quickly a routine audit can turn into unnecessary confrontation.
What are you guys up to today?
Just minding our own business.
Okay.
You mind let me know that you're recording?
Okay, I'm recording. Are you recording?
You identify yourself as well, please.
My warrant number is P234858. I'm from Bromley Police Station.
Alright.
You don't need to know my name or shoulder number. That's my identifying number. Your name, young man?
I'm not required to give my name.
Why not?
Do I need to?
Is there a reason you don't want to?
Prefer not to.
Okay. I'd probably advise you not to stand here. It's quite dangerous for you to stand
So I'm
here.
responsible for my own safety.
I know you are. Is there a reason you're standing at the rear of a police station?
We already spoke. Like, what's all this about, bro?
No, I did speak.
You tell him just to leave us alone. Like, yeah. So why have you come back out?
To you, have I?
Yeah, we've had a chat. That's it. Done.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, let's leave it at that.
Yeah,
You're coming back out.
I didn't speak with you.
Well, I work here and I want to know why you're outside the
You don't
building.
need to know, do you? It's none of your business.
Well, what are you
I'm
up
in a
to?
public place. It's not any of your business, is it?
Makes me a bit suspicious, though.
Oh, then that's... You're
Especially with your
paranoid
attitude,
then.
it's very bad.
What's wrong with my attitude?
Well, you're
You
quite
just come up to
aggressive.
me, started recording me,
Yeah,
asking my name, asking questions.
that's because you've got
When I've already
cameras.
we've already spoken with this gentleman. So it's just a bit unusual, isn't it?
Not really. I think it's a bit unusual hanging around at the back of a police station.
Alright, well, I'm in a public place. I've got freedom of movement. If I want to stand there, I'll stand there as much as I like. Do you identify yourself? Yeah, that's not very good, is it? Could you like say the number, where you're from, your name?
Can you tell me your name?
No, I'm not going to give any names. Alright, good. It's not very professional, is it? Like you're talking to a member. Yeah, I know, but you're talking because I'm a member of the public.
Okay,
You're doing a service to the public.
I'm a member of the public.
Outside Bromley Police Station, Auditor Coley Burks and DJ Audits peacefully record vehicles entering and leaving the premises. The situation changes when an officer responds with an unnecessarily defensive attitude after being politely asked to identify himself. Although officers are not always legally required to provide their names, professionalism, transparency, and respectful communication are essential to maintaining public trust.
You know, got all these like tattoos and that.
God forbid.
Little fit like jewellery and this and that.
And I've got earrings as well, sir.
He looks quite presentable.
Oh, thank you.
I don't know what's going on here, but
It's a bit
would
discriminating.
you mind identifying yourself?
Yeah, it's PC Fraser, attached to Bromley Police Station.
Young man, that's a bit discriminating, isn't
I'm
it?
not being discriminating
You are.
anyone.
You're saying I've got tattoos, this, that, and the
I'll
other.
just say these two look a bit more presentable than you do.
So because I have tattoos and piercings makes me unpresentable,
I
does
think
it?
so, yeah.
Well, that's your
For
opinion,
the
young
job
man.
you're doing, yeah, it's my opinion. Right, we done?
Fortunately, ways have come forward in the way. Well, this is my police station that I work from, so I could stand here.
All right.
The same as you want
Bit
to
odd,
stand
isn't
here.
it?
Well, it's a bit odd that you're stood here, young man.
Young man.
Well, what would you like me to call you? You've not
Sir?
identified yourself.
Sir?
Are you a sir?
I'm a member of the public.
Are you a sir?
My tax pays for your wage. That would be...
Your tax pays for my wage?
Yes.
Well, your tax personally
The council tax
pays
that I
my
pay.
wage?
Yes, it does.
Well, mine personally? Because I pay tax as well.
All right, I don't want to get into that argument.
I don't think that would go very far.
You pay tax on tax.
As the conversation continues, the officer repeatedly relies on personal suspicion instead of objective facts. Feeling suspicious alone is never a lawful reason to stop, search, or question someone exercising their legal rights. Coley calmly reminds the officer that public accountability comes with police authority, highlighting the important difference between personal opinion and the responsibilities attached to wearing the uniform.
Anyhow, is there anything I can do for you?
Well, you can tell me your name if you want to.
I don't need to, do I? I don't want to. I don't want to.
Fair enough.
Okay? Hope you have a lovely day.
You too.
Fraser, do you want to... We're just going to stand there, are we?
I can do.
It's just
I'm on till 11 tonight. I can stand here. Can I not
It's
stand
just a
here?
bit of a waste of your time, isn't it?
Slightly.
Do you think taxpayers are going
But
to
I'm a
be
bit
happy
more
with
concerned
you just
about you because
standing
you're
around?
acting really suspiciously. You're very
I?
anti-police.
I'm not anti
You
anyone.
don't want to give any details over. You
What?
could be a wanted offender for all I know.
So, what suggests to you that I may be a wanted offender? Would a wanted offender come and record outside the police station?
A lot of people do actually, because they want to get picked up to go to court.
All right, well, I don't want to get picked up. I'm not wanted.
Do you want to tell me you're recording me on another
I don't need to, do I?
I don't need to tell you I'm recording.
No, you do. It's in your policy to tell us, because if I want to make a subject access request for the information you're collating on me,
I don't necessarily need to record.
No, that's the reason you have to let people know, because you're subject to data protection.
I have to let you know at one point during the interaction, yeah.
At a time that's practical.
Yeah.
And the reasons for that is because you work for an institution that handles data. So say I want to request that information you've collected on me, that's the reason. See, I don't have to abide by GDPR. Okay. So I don't need to let you know, yeah?
Do you have access to any drones today?
Possibly.
You do, because there's been one flying around our police station, and obviously with the aviation laws, you're not allowed to do that.
Okay, which aviation law is that?
You tell me.
The discussion then shifts to tattoos, public funding, and drone regulations. Rather than addressing legitimate questions with confidence, the officer responds with sarcasm and uncertainty. When challenged about drone laws, he struggles to identify the legal basis for his claims. The exchange demonstrates why understanding the law is just as important for those enforcing it as it is for the public.
Well, that makes sense.
Hello, did you miss me?
You've got a staff.
Come over to see me now. That's nice.
You've got an area where staff can park the cycles, yeah? And there's not many staff cycles in there. It's more of a where you put the seized electric scooters.
Is there a reason you're zooming in on me specifically, young man?
The reason you're stood like that?
What, stood here?
Is there a reason your hands are in your pockets?
Are you quite new
Because
to
you're no
the-
threat to me, I've already explained this.
You look quite young.
Yeah, I'm quite young.
It's nice to see youngsters in the force, to be
Let me
honest.
get a bit closer picture to you. Because you like zoomed in on me. Make sure I can get your full outfit.
Who's the most senior out of you three? Of your league?
Probably my colleague over there.
this guy's the most senior out of you three. How long have you been serving?
Long enough.
Good service.
Just PCs, mate.
What makes him more senior?
You don't like me, do you?
No, I don't mind you. I'm indifferent towards
Well, you said a
you.
minute ago you didn't like me and you didn't want to speak to me, and you said I should leave you alone because I'm wasting your time.
I didn't say I
You've
didn't
come
like
over to
you.
see me again.
Because you're entertaining.
Fair enough.
So yeah, I've told you. I just like to speak to your colleague. Do you know the legislation about it?
Sorry?
He's got a very good sense of humour. It wouldn't hurt to smile, would it, young man? There we go.
Obviously, because you're in a public place, and obviously you've got the train station.
This must be like the special unit.
It's a part of certain.
Myself, I'm on an emergency response team.
Yeah, this is definitely some sort of special unit. You three.
When you're saying special, is that another derogatory term, or?
Sure. I just want to ask you, that's all, mate.
Just my opinion. What do I know?
I know. God forbid I share my opinion, though.
No, you can.
No, I'm not allowed, unfortunately.
Freedom of speech.
Yeah, I wish.
So are we done here?
I already said that before. Yet you've come over to speak to me again, and then zoomed in on me, which I found a bit. And what's your intention with your footage?
Just use it for my own recreation.
Okay. And do I have any access rights to that, bearing in mind you're filming myself and asking for my identity?
No.
No?
We had that conversation.
So if I don't give you permission to show my face in anything, you have to blur it out, don't you?
No, I don't.
I think you do. Because you have to ask if you're happy for me to be filmed, especially if you're going to publicise it.
You're
to the public.
in public.
I think you need to understand things a bit better. So if I don't give you consent to show my face, you need to blur it out.
No, I don't.
No?
No, that's not how it works.
The encounter reaches its most revealing point when the officer raises concerns about GDPR, filming rights, and privacy in public. UK law generally allows individuals to record from public places, and on-duty police officers have no automatic expectation of privacy while carrying out their duties. As incorrect legal claims continue to surface, the auditor remains calm, relying on facts rather than emotion, exposing the growing gap between authority and legal knowledge.
I'm not subject to data protection.
But if you're
And you're in a
sharing
public
images
place.
of people-
You're in a public place. If you're concerned about your, face being put online, then you would wear a mask.
I'll be honest, if I was
You'd have to
concerned
secure
about
your own
that,
identity.
there'd be quite a few issues, wouldn't there?
Like what?
Well, I'd be in the wrong job for starters.
Well, there you go.
Yeah. Seeing as we're asking questions every now and then, do you not like tattoos?
I do. No, I've got tattoos myself.
And you've got piercings yourself as well, haven't you? Do you wear jewellery?
Yeah.
Yeah?
But I'm not at
Why
work.
point me out?
Because I'm not at work.
So when you work, you don't have jewellery in, no?
Listen, I don't really care. It's just a lot of people have that opinion, so it's just something I pointed out.
Times have changed, haven't they, young man? Policies have changed, such as we now can have visible tattoos, can't we? As long as they're not derogative, as long as they're not racist, as long as they're not offensive. We may now have
I'm sorry if I hurt your feelings, innit?
You haven't hurt my feelings.
Why are you bringing it up again?
Well, because you seem to make a point of trying to hurt our feelings.
No, I'm not. I just pointed it out because people have that opinion. I couldn't really care less.
Well, it's nice that you speak for the people.
I don't speak for anyone. I just point it out and let people form their own opinion.
What do you do for work apart from being an expert cameraman?
I can't tell you that. I can't tell you.
Can't tell me. Is it secret?
It's a secret. I don't need to tell you.
How long are you staying here for?
As long as I like.
Until you get bored.
Until you stop talking and leave.
I doubt you'll be leaving the same time as me.
Oh, you asked, I answered.
No.
As soon as you get back in there, we'll probably leave.
Okay, we'll see.
Hopefully, this has all been good for everyone, yeah?
Your interaction has been very pleasant. Thank you very much.
Yourself?
Sorry?
Have you got something out of it? There you go, great.
I'm being nosy. What's the one? Is that just a camera into a USB stick, a live stream one?
No, it's just simply it records onto the SD card, but it's got a built-in gimbal.
That's cool.
Yeah. And like when you zoomed in, I could zoom in like that as well.
Have a look.
Yeah, of course, it's only on a little screen.
I like that.
But you can zoom in and
Much
out.
better than an iPhone, isn't it?
Well, they can do live streaming. This
I know they
can't.
can.
Oh, that's true, yeah. That's true.
So have we satisfied your suspicion?
You've been very pleasant when we've spoken to you. Thank you very much. Now listen, I need to inform you, because I know you got a bit upset a minute ago, didn't you, when we first started speaking to you, that you've already had police officers speak to you and approach you today, yes? Obviously, if you are stood outside a police building, I can't say that my other colleagues, or even myself a bit later, might not come and speak to you again.
It's always
okay?
a pleasure.
I know it is, but obviously for your companion in today's little activities, he didn't seem very pleasant with the fact that more police were coming to speak to him. So I may get to see you later. Although you said you're going to leave when I go in, aren't you?
That's right. That's right.
We'll see. All right, take care. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you.
Bye now.
Bye now. Get ready.
You're dismissed.
Oh, thanks. Can I go home?
I had to throw it in there.
As the interaction comes to an end, it becomes clear that confidence without legal understanding can quickly damage public trust. Encounters like this remind us why knowing your rights and understanding the limits of police powers matters more than ever. If you enjoyed this analysis, make sure to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Audit Lens for more in-depth breakdowns of UK police encounters, public accountability, and the laws that protect your rights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next investigation.